Hi, Pop Pop. Good morning. It's Pat here, stopping by for a quick but important visit. First, I wanted to say happy anniversary. Wanted to let you know that we're forever going to share this special day, as Michelle and I are getting married today. We chose this day for a reason, and we wanted you to know that. Don't you worry one bit, as we're taking good care of my mom. The main reason I stopped by was to say thank you. You shook my hand on that fall afternoon that no words can be used to describe. I never knew how much a single handshake could mean, but I got the message loud and clear. I will cherish and honor Michelle and make sure she is always taken care of. She looks absolutely beautiful today, and wish you could see her. In a few short hours, I'll be standing at the altar, waiting for the woman of my dreams, and then we will dance the night away.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to celebrate the love that is shared by Michelle and Patrick and the commitment they make to one another for a lifetime. We are grateful for the presence of all of you, their dear family and friends, who have surrounded them with your love and support on their journeys and will continue to do so in their marriage. They feel lucky to have such a wonderful family and proud that each of you shaped them into the people they have become. You have all walked with them every step of the way on this journey, and you have been absolutely amazing in helping them prepare for this special day. They are filled with joy to know that you will be there the rest of the way.
Michelle, here we are today, continuing our journey as we close one chapter and begin the next. 8 years later and now about to stand across from one another to commit the rest of our lives together, and I couldn't be more excited.
To my soon-to-be hubby, as I sit here and reflect on the past 8 years we've had together, I am feeling extremely grateful. Our life has been full of memories and moments that have led us to here today. You have showed me how to love unconditionally since the very beginning. You are my sense of security and protection, laughter and affection, shoulder to cry on, and biggest accomplishment. I love your witty sense of humor. I love your constant one-liners, and of course those crazy leg dance moves. You are the most selfless and caring person I've ever met, and the best dog daddy in town. You are the man that I want to be with for the rest of my life. I can't thank you enough for choosing me.
You took a simple, easygoing guy who had a few positive things going for him and gave him the world. You showed confidence in me, made me believe in myself, and allowed me to create a path that would merge ours together. I learned so much from you and am extremely proud of everything you've done and continue to do. Your drive in life is incredible, and you have so many accomplishments to prove it. It is super infectious and constantly keeps me motivated to do better myself.
My future with you gives me butterflies. Seems like every year it gets better and better, and I have a feeling this will be our best one yet. Our relationship is continuously growing and changing for the better. I'm excited to grow old with you, laugh with you, travel with you, and build a family of our own. I know that one day you'll be the best daddy in the world, but until then, let's celebrate tonight. Let's take in every moment that has led us to today. Cheers to our wedding day, cheers to our love, and cheers to our future. I can't wait to dance with you tonight. Let's do this thing. I love you, mean it. Michelle.
I can't wait to start this next chapter and see where we will go and how much we will grow together. I can't wait to start a family of our own so we can instill the same values that we've learned over time from our own families. I will cherish this day for the rest of our lives as well as you. I know we share this day with some special people that are very close to us, so I made sure to include them. I stopped by to say hi to Pop Up earlier today to let him know that you'll always be safe and how beautiful you're going to look. I let him know that I made a promise to myself to love and take care of you ever since the handshake. Keeping you so we can be us. I love you, mean it. Pat.
Oh my goodness, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Michelle and Patrick, in choosing to celebrate your love for one another through marriage, you are beginning a new chapter in your lives. With the passing of time, you will share new adventures, accomplishments, and joys, and also face challenges. May then this love with which you join your hands and hearts today never fail, but continue to grow stronger all the days of your life. On their journey together, Patrick and Michelle have come to define what love means to them in their relationship. Pat shared that love involves continuous learning and observing, to truly know and support your partner as you both grow. It involves constant communication and always making the effort to show that you care. Michelle shared that love is a feeling of excitement, affection, security, curiosity, and protection. It's committing yourself to be there for someone unconditionally. Love is a partnership in which two people can share life's joyful moments and greatest challenges together.
I, Patrick, take you, Michelle, as my wife.
I, Michelle, take you, Patrick, as my husband,
I promise to love and care for you always,
and treat you with kindness.
and speak to you with respect,
I promise to support you in all that you do.
and encourage the unique spirit that is you.
From this day forward,
You shall not walk alone.
In the presence of these witnesses and in accordance with the laws of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, you have declared the words and performed the rites that unite your lives. In so doing, you have declared that you are officially husband and wife in the sight of all people. You may share your kiss. It is a true honor and my great pleasure to introduce for the first time as a married couple, Michelle and Patrick.
Water ski, snowboard, surfboard, kneeboard, boogie board, snowblade, ski jump, parasail, bungee jump. Oh yeah, she likes to trap shoot, target shoot, and parachute. Pat, I know you know all these traits about Michelle. You already knew it. But now it's time for officially for me to pass the baton to you.
I can't even begin to put into words how special this group is here today. Patrick and Michelle will not only have each other for love and support, they'll have this wonderful group of family and friends to be there for them.
He means the world to me as a friend, and a lot of people in this room feel the exact same way. He's a stellar human being who's there for anyone who needs him at the drop of the hat, and is one of the most selfless, honest, and trustworthy people I've ever been able to call my friend. The three of us have been through so much together, and I wouldn't change our memories for the world, and I'm looking forward to making more memories with both of you as you partake in this husband and wife journey.
Thank you for loving her, protecting her, and being her everything. Thank you for loving me and understanding that marrying a twin mostly means you have to share her. Pat, know that Michelle will fiercely love you today, tomorrow, and every day after that. You two already have the ingredients for a beautiful marriage. Mish, you're marrying a wonderful man who is also your best friend, Enjoy the ride and take things in stride, which you already do. Be there for each other in good and hard times. I am so happy for you and love you both.
Yours, here right now, the kind of night we dream about. Oh, 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 it's beautiful.
You look amazing.
Yeah, time flies when you get it right, so hold on tight.